What's up, y'all? It's your girl JWA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an eyebrow tutorial. So you need the eyebrow pencil, a flat brush, some concealer, and a spoolie. Is this a spoolie? Yeah, that's a spoolie. Alright, let's make this perfect. Work with this little mirror so I won't be too focused in the phone. Alright, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do stroke-like hairs going up. And I kind of want to aim for like right where my nose bone is. So right there is kind of perfect. I want to start right there. And you just want to do some up stroke hairs. Right? Those first few ones. Because those are where the hair is supposed to be and it's missing. That's where it's missing some. So then now I'm going to do the same stroke hair likes, but I'm going to go this way to the outward end of my brow. And I'm only going to do that from like here to here. You notice I didn't make a line and go like this and box it out or nothing. I'm just like filling in my little fake hairs. As if they were already there. Okay, you see that? You already see how that looks good, right? So let's go ahead to this side. And let's do it again. But this time, I have a little bit more hair. So, well, no, actually, I don't have that much hair on this side. But I'm going to do the same thing. Probably got to press it a little harder because you can't really see. Can you see? Okay. And then remember, when you start going inside of the brow where there's more hair, you want to start to do the strokes going that direction. Because you don't want the hair that's sticking, you don't want the stroke hairs to look up and your hair is going that way. You get me? So you want to do it the way that it's going. And since I don't have a lot of hair, I just kind of have to go back and fill it in and make it look like it's coming from the top to the bottom. Because it ain't, you know? Hold on, I put a little bit too much right here. Don't be afraid to do a little wipey wipe with your hand. So, as y'all can see now, I haven't done any outlining yet. I just filled in my stroke-like hairs. And I made the beginning look very, like, whatever you want to call that. Hairy. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my outline. Because now I feel like I got all the fake hair that I need, okay? So, this is going to be quick. You're going to go from here. And you're going to go under. See, because I made my little fake hairs. So, I don't need to be right on the fake hairs. I need to be a little under. You see? See how I have a little bit of space here? That way, when I do my outlining with my concealer, I won't mess it up entirely. Because I done gave myself an extra space. And then I'll try to make the hairs look like it's coming from that line instead of my natural real hairline. Okay? And you see how it kind of made my hairs kind of look shorter. So I just made them look a little longer. That was it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go from here to here. Here to here. Not here. Not up there. I don't know where else y'all could go. It's only here to here. Okay, so go ahead and get to the top of the brow. You probably want to go to the top of the brow because you see. All right, now when you get back up here, come to the top of the brow and just come straight down. See, if my hair was arched, my eyebrows were arched, I wouldn't have none of this here. So it would go straight down. That's where you want to go, straight down. From the top to the bottom, okay? Let's do the same thing on this side so we don't get backed up. So go a little under the line. And you want to make sure you hit that peak point right here. So on both sides, you want to make sure that that line goes from here to here. That's what you want. And you'll understand why a little bit later. And it's already... Ooh! Hold on, girl. Just chill. Because you got to trust the process. They do look a little archy. Hold on. Okay. That look good, though. Okay, hold on. And then, same thing, just come down. That's all I did was come down. I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to come down a little lower on that side because I could just do that rather than here. I need a little bit more precision in my... And you can lift your eyebrow up too a little bit so you can see how it would look. That look good already, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that looks crazy. But hold on. We're not even done here. Okay, so now that you've done that, you want to start maybe like towards this middle part. So I don't never start in the beginning because I just made those stroke-like hairs for a reason. So wherever my hairs start to go this way, that's when I start going across. Y'all see I haven't done anything yet except go across. Same thing here. I don't want to start in the beginning. I'm going to start a little bit to the back, and I'm going to go across. You see that? Y'all see that? That look crazy, right? Perfect. Perfect. The crazier it looks, the better I know it's going to be. All right. Then you lift your eyebrow up just a little bit, give it a little attitude, like, girl, bye. And then you want to, that part, remember you went like this, straight across? Remember you just went like this? You remember you just went straight? You didn't do nothing. You just went straight. Babe, we just went straight. Now lift your eyebrow up a little bit and connect shorty. That's all you did was connect shorty. Please don't be mad at how dark you look. I promise I'm going to make it look a lot more natural. I just needed a real defined eyebrow. Don't look at how thick it is. Just catch my drift, okay? That does look crazy. It does. But hold on. Hold on. All right, now this side. Remember we went straight? Now let's, because there's your arch. You don't want to go like this, because then you're going to make your arch inside of the eyebrow. The arch is when you come down. That's the arch right there. Now, I made my arch a little too big, but that's because I'm getting excited. And don't, like I said, don't be afraid to wipe that thing off, because one thing we're going to do is make a mistake. And one thing about these eyebrows, baby, they not twins. They just sisters. They don't even like each other like that. They don't even like each other like that. Okay, so that's the final eyebrow, y'all, really. Now, let me show you where the fineness comes in at, because you wouldn't dare keep your eyebrows like this. I'm sorry. You just wouldn't. Even if you just wouldn't do that. So let me show you what you would do. Okay? Now, if you like your eyebrows like this, that's fine. But I'm going to show you where the cleaning comes in at. Let's get the spoolie. Spoolie her up a little bit. The spoolie might wipe a couple of some makeup off, so you want to go softly. But the spoolie is to make sure that the stroke hairs still look like stroke hairs. Okay? And that's to get that harshness out of there. Okay? Get your flat brush. Put you some concealer on your hand.
Gonna be the fun part. You want to keep your eyebrow kind of arched like this, and one. That's all I did. One. Okay. Two. It's a two-step process. And then you're gonna just clean her up. And then when I do it on the top, I just do it on the end part. I don't do it on the entire brow. I just do the tailbone part. But if you're doing like a full face, you would go like boom, 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 boom. I like to let mine go outward. Yeah. Because I'll pull up this here. When I do a full face, I'll pull all this up, and then everything will be blended tightly. Okay, so that's one eyebrow, y'all. You see how it started off looking crazy? And now it's coming together? That's why you make them kind of big. So just in case you do clean them up and you cut too close, you want to fix it that way. I make them kind of big just in case because I'm always cutting it too close. So go ahead and do it again. Then, yeah, you'll mess up the brow. And the brows is really important because I don't see how girls do their brows last. I don't see how they do that. I just did that because, you'll see, when you do a full face, this is very important. And then let me get a little bit more. My phone's about to die, I gotta hurry up. Yeah, so I just get a little bit more. Like I said, I only do the tips. I try to define my tailbone through there. And I'm kind of heavy-handed, so. Yeah, some kids, they in school and they is having a ball at the playground, child. Yeah, so you want to bring up all the extra concealer. Anything extra you want to bring up. And, or just blend in really good, you know. Okay. Yeah, don't worry about me. I never used this before, so I don't really know what I'm using this for. Okay, yeah, so then once you're done with that, I just go back and try to wipe any harsh lines away. I guess it's time to go. And that's it, y'all. That's how you do a good eyebrow. Now, listen, don't judge me because obviously you see I don't have no lashes on or nothing like that. But, okay, let me do my baby hairs. Hold on.
Hey, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all love it, actually. Make sure y'all like this video if this was a good help for y'all. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I know it's like a bad lighting or whatever. There we go. And I couldn't lay my edges down. But y'all see the picture. Y'all see. Y'all know. Y'all know my body. Okay? You see these eyebrows. Stop playing with me. Yeah. So, period. I think I did pretty good. And I think I got a picture. And hopefully y'all can do the same thing. If y'all need some more help, just let me know.
Shawty, I'ma only tell you this once, you the illest. Master that I know. And for your loving, I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. Master that I know. You got spark, you got spark, you got something all the girls want.